Hello, this video is programming exercise 2. Uh, we were to basically update our resume in a bootstrap type manner. So, took the advice of my fellow associates, and they were saying to just grab a template online and basically modify it, and that's more or less what I did. So I found this template online, and I really liked it. There was a lot more to it. I did take a lot of stuff out because there was some stuff that just wasn't relative. That I didn't feel like doing, really. Didn't seem necessary. The one caveat to this whole thing, unfortunately, is that this contact box does not work. And that is because I do not have the Pro version, which includes the PHP file that makes it work, uh, which again is very unfortunate. Um, so we can see that it is reactive based on the size of the page, and we can even shrink it all the way down to single level, and we can see that our hamburger menu indeed goes away, flushes up to here like this, allows us to click that, and it takes us to the different parts of the resume, and then the button to bottom takes us all the way back to the top. Let's get it to there. So this will still function as intended. And then my links do work. They do go back to my pages. Same thing with the Instagram. It goes back to my Instagram. The only one that doesn't work is LinkedIn for some reason. I get this cannot get error, which is interesting because I verified 3 and 4 different times that that is the correct address. And even though this keeps, I don't know why this keeps defaulting back, right? So even with that, well, never mind. It seems to want to work now that I'm on the video. Of course it does, which is fine. So basically, the background here is a photo that I took when I first came to Hawaii. Thought it would make a really nice background. That here is in that's the default one. I should really get rid of that. This is the file here. It's just in the image folder. And then same thing with my profile image. It's here in the image folder for under assets. That's the way this particular template was set up. Then there's a CSS folder that has all the CSS to make everything work and look pretty and be the way that it is. Actually, this we don't need either because that was a part of the portfolio. But that's pretty much it. I mean, I did omit some of my work history here just because it, would have been very, very long. Would have been very tedious because I have a pretty long work history. And this goes back already, almost 10 years. So I should probably just add like a header that says additional work history available upon request, or something along those lines. Have these sliders for skills where I feel my personal competency is on those particular objects. Just the basic about me section. Full stack developer, graphic designer. This is I kind of like. I think that's really cool. where it goes through all the different titles that I am. Pretty neat. But yeah, I believe that's it. Until next time, ho ho.